Hello, this is Ben. Let's check this dual network security alarm system, okay? It supports both Wi-Fi and 4G LTE network. Let's check it. Yeah, we got 4 icons here. The first one, the mobile signal level. The second, the Wi-Fi icon. The third, the battery level, okay? The fourth icon, the CMS connection status. Now it's connected to the CMS, so this icon will show up, okay? And let's check the settings here. The Wi-Fi settings. Here we got Wi-Fi settings. Okay. And device learning. We can trigger device to learn to add it to the host, okay? And we can see the device list here. You can see all the accessories that are added to this host. We got 4 accessories here. And the log, alarm log, the alarm messages, okay, alarm history log, and arm disarm log, okay, the system log. You can see the system online log, okay. This is the machine information. We got the QR code here. We need to use this QR code to scan this QR code to add to the safety guard app, okay. And here's the ID, the series of the ID. This is used to add the device host to our CMS, our center monitoring system online, okay. And finally, let's check the system settings here. You can set the password, okay. The admin password will be required when you need to disarm this device here on the keypad, okay. In the time setting, we can alarm delay, or alarming time, okay. We can set the time here. Also, this is all the time. The first time is the arm time, and the second time is the disarm time, okay. You can set the phone number. You can set 2 numbers for SMS to accept as SMS alert, and 4 numbers to receive the call alarm, okay. This device supports 2-way voice intercom on the call, okay. And on the bottom, you can set the APN. I use a China Telecom SIM card here, so the APN is CTNet, okay. Why we need to set APN? Because this alarm host can link to the internet, to the app, to the CMS by 4G LTE network, okay, data, by 4G LTE data. When Wi-Fi is lost, Wi-Fi connection is lost, it will automatically switch to connect the device to the network, to the internet by 4G, okay. So we need to set the APN here. And here we can set the volume, the language. We have English, Chinese, and Spanish, English again. Okay, default settings. If you need to default all settings to the factory default. Okay, that's it.